If you had an Android phone, more specifically a Samsung smartphone, and you switched over to an iPhone, but you still have and want to use your Galaxy Watch, I will show you how to connect it and use it in less than 2 minutes. The first thing that you need to do is to download the Galaxy Wearable app from the iOS App Store. The second step is to open the app on your iPhone, tap Start the journey, then select the Galaxy Watch or what Samsung smartwatch you have. Once it has found your Galaxy Watch, tap Connect, and when the request appears, tap Pair. Now, if your smartwatch was previously connected to a Samsung smartphone, it will start the reset to factory settings process, which will take between 5 and 10 minutes. Then it will connect as a fresh copy to your iPhone. You will lose all the information and apps previously installed on your smartwatch, which means that you will have to install them again if you still need them. If the smartwatch has already been reset to factory settings, then it will connect to the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. The third step is to review and tap Agree to the options, then tap Done. Your Galaxy Watch is now connected. The last step is to follow the tutorial instructions on your Galaxy Watch or tap Skip if you're already familiar with it. That's it, now you can use the Samsung Galaxy Watch with an iPhone. Let me know in the comment section below if you're interested to see what works and what doesn't work on these two devices, and if the Galaxy Watch is fully compatible with the iPhone. Hope you enjoyed this video, hit the like button if so, and consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.